Hi all, this is a short video of how to add the pop-up calendar date picker on Google Sheet, as we use a lot. That could be really useful. So you can see I created a tracker for my year 11 students, and I'm going to share with them, and I want to make sure when they are using it and when they need to put the date here, actually they need just pick it up. So at this moment, I can't do anything else, just write the numbers in, which is not helpful. So what I can do, I highlight those cells which I would like to make sure they will be a date picker calendar. Okay, so the next one is, because a date is a data, I have to click on data and data validation. Then from the criteria, I'm choosing date. Now you can see my ranges from C1 till Q2, which is exactly the range what I just highlighted here. And after I just save it. So now when my students will use this tracker and when they double click, the date will come up. So I can say on Wednesday they will do this worksheet, so they can just pick it up. And as you can see, it will put for them the exact date. If on the following Wednesday I'm going to do with them another workout Wednesday, they click on it, and the following Wednesday they will click on for the next one. Now you can see the format is different, just because previously I changed the format. However, we can validate this information. So if you want the same, what you do, you click on highlight all the cells, then you go on format, number, more formats, more date and time formats, and here you choose which one you prefer. So let's say I prefer this version, so apply to all, and now you can see all of them will be in this format. Hope this little short hints and tips helps to save you some time. Thank you. Bye.